Welcome to Engine Explorer, where we dive into the most outrageous machines on Earth. And today's feature? It's not a bus. It's not even a motorhome. It's a rolling 5-star hotel crafted by the luxury legends at Millennium Coach. This is the 2026 Millennium Coach. And yes, it has a rooftop jacuzzi, a cinema, and a private elevator. This thing makes super yachts look modest. Let's start with the basics, or rather what Millennium calls basic. On the outside, it looks like a luxury tour bus with an ultra-polished chrome and black finish, futuristic laser-guided headlights, and a body made of aerospace-grade composite materials. Every detail is sharp, aerodynamic, and intimidating in the best way possible. But press the biometric entry pad, and the doors silently slide open, revealing a world that feels more like a Beverly Hills penthouse than a motorhome. Step inside, and you're greeted with a grand entry lined with Italian marble floors, suede paneled walls, and ambient lighting that shifts with your mood or the time of day. The living room has reclining massage chairs with built-in cooling and heating, a disappearing 100-inch 16K projector screen, and a fireplace. Yes, a digital flame fireplace inside a moving coach. The kitchen, pure chef's dream. Sub-zero refrigeration, a touch-controlled wine dispenser, and even a robotic sous chef station that preps ingredients for you. Now for the jaw-dropper, the private elevator. Discreetly placed in the middle of the living space, this glass lift whisks you up to the rooftop lounge. Up there, you'll find teak wood decking, retractable sunshades, a surround sound system, and the crown jewel, a heated rooftop jacuzzi with overflow LED edge lighting. Imagine soaking above the Grand Canyon or under a desert night sky. All from your motorhome. Back inside, let's talk about the cinema room. Hidden behind soundproof doors, the private theater features 6 leather VIP recliners, Dolby Atmos surround sound, a full snack bar, and acoustic panels designed by the same team that builds sound studios for movie directors. And when it's time to sleep, the master suite has a king-sized zero-gravity bed, biometric climate controls, panoramic smart glass windows, and a hidden makeup vanity. The bathroom rivals 5-star hotels, with gold accents, a rainfall steam shower, and self-cleaning tech throughout. Under the hood, the 2026 Millennium Coach is powered by a hybrid turbo diesel paired with solar-boosted battery systems, giving it an insane 2,500 km range with zero compromise on power. All-wheel steering, adaptive suspension, and semi-autonomous driving come standard. This coach isn't just a vehicle. It's a statement, a symbol of extreme innovation, personalized comfort, and limitless mobility. So here's the real question. If money wasn't a problem, would you live full-time in this beast? Hit that like button if you're ready to move into this luxury on wheels.